Finding the right company to install or monitor a security, fire or social alarm system can be tricky. You will want to consider a range of criteria when choosing a service provider, including price, location and, most importantly, competency. SSAIB is one of the leading certification bodies for security and fire service providers. Founded in 1994, SSAIB has over 1,500 companies on its register. It is UCAS accredited and has strong links to insurers, the police and other key organisations.
SSAIB's rigorous registration process is designed to benefit installers and customers alike. By opening their work to independent inspection, SSAIB registered firms demonstrate their competence, confidence and commitment to quality. As a certification body, our overall goal is to promote high standards of service within the security, fire and telecare sectors, and to provide buyers and specifiers with access to a choice of professional suppliers in their area.
We only certificate companies that can show through inspections of their systems, processes and procedures that they have the required technical and managerial competence to be a first-class installer. Gaining SSAIB registration isn't easy, nor should it be. But SSAIB supports companies throughout this process where we feel they have the technical skills to be quality installers.
False alarms used to be a real problem for the police service, but thanks to the work of SSAIB and others, this is far less of a problem.
20 years ago, false alarms were a major problem for the police service. We were seeing over 1 million calls coming into police control rooms, and obviously this was a major drain on police resources. The introduction of a police policy on intrude alarms has ensured that all installation companies now have to be certificated by an independent inspectorate body such as the SSAIB. This has resulted in all new systems being installed and maintained to the current British and European standards. This alone has had a major impact in the amount of false calls we've seen coming into police control rooms.
For customers, using an SSAIB certificated company means you can be confident in the quality of service that's being provided.
Customers do value our independent scrutiny and will often specify SSAIB certification on project documents.
Companies that we have certificated tell us that gaining SSAIB registration helps them to prove to customers that they've carried out due diligence and are up to the mark. So gaining that benchmark is a very useful advantage in the marketplace for suppliers and customers alike.
SSAIB has grown significantly since it was founded 20 years ago, and yet it retains a friendly and approachable attitude, inclusive of small and large companies alike.
We keep the bureaucracy to a minimum and maintain an open door policy, which means we are always available to talk to registered firms or those considering certification. Third-party certification from SSAIB gives a company's customers reassurance and safeguards about the performance they'll receive from the service because it's passed independent scrutiny.
If you have selected an SSAIB registered firm to carry out your security, fire or telecare installation, then you know that your security and safety is in good hands. To learn more about the SSAIB, its inspection services and its register of accredited companies, visit www.ssaib.org.